Questions for Janet. FOMC meeting is obviously going to be on everybody's radar. It's an interesting upcoming March meeting, and the reason we're looking at it so closely is because a lot of people are slightly mixed. If you have a look at economists, they're actually almost split half and half as to whether or not you might actually see rate movements. However, the median expectation is that they won't. If you have a look at the Fed Fund futures pricing for the March contract, it clearly doesn't believe it will happen. So what are the questions you therefore need to ask if we don't see rates move? There are 5 major points that we are looking at, and those 5 points are clearly the 2 mandates. The first one obviously is employment, and that has certainly been much stronger than most people had expected at this point of the cycle after December. And you also have to look at inflation. Inflation still really isn't actually materializing in actuals, yet if you listen to the FOMC members, they see it materializing. The third one is the actual global movements, and clearly at the start of the year she did actually comment about the fact that global conditions are certainly impacting her thinking. It might be one thing to watch again. Currencies and currency wars clearly also have to be at what's going on in the euro, and particularly what's going on in the Chinese yuan is also something that has actually got her a little bit concerned, and that may be something to watch in the press conference. If she gets pushed on that again, we have seen some quite fiery comments, particularly around the Chinese yuan. Finally, and for probably out of all of this, is the US growth GDP expectations. They've been slightly downgrading their expectations for the last 3 meetings, despite the fact that they've actually hiked rates. That is going to be the key point. Are they going to continue to move rates to the upside, despite the fact that there is expectations US growth is going backwards?